In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Capcut subscription on your iPhone. If you've decided that Capcut is no longer the right fit for you, or perhaps you just need to tighten up your budget, cancelling a subscription should be a straightforward task. So let's dive right into how you can easily manage this on your iPhone. Firstly, you'll want to start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. This app is represented by a grey icon with gears. You've probably visited this app numerous times to adjust various settings on your device. Once you are in the Settings app, look towards the top of the menu for your Apple ID, which is usually displayed as your name. You'll want to tap on this section. This will take you into the Apple ID menu, where you can manage various aspects of your account, including your subscriptions, an important step on our journey today. Next, within the Apple ID menu, you'll find an option that says Subscriptions. Tap on this and it will lead you to a list of all your active and expired subscriptions. This section is very useful for keeping track of everything you've subscribed to using your Apple ID. Scroll through this list until you find Capcut. Once located, tap on it to open more options related to your Capcut subscription. Now that you're in the Capcut subscription menu, you're looking for the option to cancel the subscription. If it's there, tap cancel subscription to initiate the cancellation process. However, if you don't see this option, it usually means the subscription has already been cancelled or there's no active subscription listed under your account. Moving on, it's crucial to note a few important things about your cancelled subscription. After cancellation, you'll still be able to use Capcut until the end of your current billing cycle. This means that although you've decided to not renew, you're still entitled to the service you've already paid for until the next cycle would have started. Also, another point to be mindful of is that Capcut generally does not offer refunds for the unused portions of your subscription. Therefore, it's vital to time your cancellation accordingly, especially if you want to maximize the remainder of your paid access. And lastly, uninstalling the Capcut app from your iPhone does not automatically cancel your subscription. It's a common misconception, but the actual cancellation process must be done through these Apple ID settings as we've just described. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any other questions or need further clarification on this process, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Have a great day.